Hello dear students, good morning, Assalamu alaikum. All the students of class 6 are welcome to this online class on behalf of St. Gregory's High School and College. I hope all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty. I'm also fine by the grace of Allah. Today I shall talk about another belief. Yes, we have learned a couple of beliefs, set of beliefs. Now we are on the belief, but this is another lesson. And this part, or this lesson is fourth lesson or lesson number 4. Yes, today's topic, as per you can see on the board, Iman Mujmal. Iman Mujmal. Yes. Here it is written also in Arabic. We, the human being, and we, the people, believe that Allah is one and only to rule, to master this universe, to run this universe, to operate this universe, and to supervise the entire universe. So, today's Iman Mujmal or faith in brief is another attempt to be believed or another step of belief. So let's know the verbatim meaning and its pronunciation, its translation, and its importance or significance. You students and boys, dear students, you will read or go through all the contents from your text at least 2 times. And if you read your text 3, 4 or 5 times, then it would be better for you, and you will be skilled. You will be able to write down everything fluently, and you will be able to write down all the questions answer accordingly and in a befitting way. So let's know the verbal meaning or lexical meaning of Iman Mujmal. If we look at here, Iman Mujmal means faith in belief. Oh, I need to mention here that please don't forget to take your copies and pens to note down. Yes, please take your copy and pen to note down this information. Iman Mujmal means faith in brief. Yes, faith in brief. Now, if we separate the meaning, Iman Mujmal, what does Mujmal mean and what does Iman mean? It's well known to all that Iman means faith. Iman means faith, and Mujmal means brief. So congregately, Iman Mujmal means faith in brief. I think you could understand very clearly, and most of you have already memorized, right? Yes, and if it comes in your exam, you will be able to write down very easily, right? Yes. Let's know and please write down. Iman Mujmal means faith in brief, but when we divide this portion, Iman means faith and mujmal means brief. So these two congregately make faith in brief. Thus, Iman mujmal means faith in brief. Clear? Okay. Now, let's know the pronunciation of this lesson or Iman mujmal, and then we shall talk about its translation or meaning. Let's start. You can also recite with me. I shall repeat this recitation for a couple of times. Amantu billahi. Yes, amantu billahi kama huwa bi asma'ihi wa sifatihi wa qabiltu jami'a ahkamihi wa arkanihi wa qabiltu jami'a ahkamihi wa arkanihi. You can recite, if you watch the video repeatedly, then you will be able to learn it correctly in correct pronunciation, and I think you will do better than me once after trial for a couple of times, right? If you try more and more, then you will do better, inshallah. Okay, don't worry. Let's know. Amantu billahi kama huwa bi asma'ihi wa sifatihi wa qabiltu jami'a ahkamihi wa arkanihi. Now let's know its meaning. Please write down. If you write down this meaning, then it will remain in your head, your mind. Okay, I think you will not forget if you write down. So please write down. I have faith in Allah, who is exactly as He is with all His names and attributes. Yes, I have faith in Allah, who is exactly as He is with all His names and attributes. And I do accept His commandments, His orders, His rules and regulations, His restrictions, His prohibitions, okay, everything as per He has given us the order, we need to follow, we need to abide by. Yes, and I accept His commandments and all that He has enjoined on us. He has given us many, rules and regulations, many things which we should abide by, many things we should aloof from that or those. So these all are included here, and this meaning testify that He has enjoined on us. Allah the Exalted has given us some particular rules and regulations to follow and to apply in our life and to get moral in our activities. Thus, from morning to evening, from dawn to dusk, we work a lot, and in our every step of life we can apply morality according to the virtues of our Prophet, according to the virtues of Allah, as per Allah the Exalted has taught His dear Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and our dear Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam has taught us accordingly as per he has got from his Allah the Exalted, and our Allah the Exalted has given us by his dear Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam all the rules and regulations, all the kitabs, all the directions. So we the human being are supposed to know this, as well as we the human being, we the people are supposed to, we the Muslim are supposed to know these all things from Hadith and Quran and to apply in our daily life, in our practical life. Okay, so my dear students, I think you could understand all the topic, all the contents in Arabic and English, and lexical meaning as well as terminological meaning. Okay, so here I'd like to pronounce once again the Arabic portion so that you can do better than the past. Amantu billahi kama huwa bi asma'ihi wa sifatihi wa qabiltu jami'a ahkamihi wa arkanihi. And please watch this video repeatedly and learn the lesson accordingly. In the next class we shall see once again. Till then, remain well all. Thanks a lot for joining with me.